All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Grateful. Grateful. To be thankful about something. Thank you. Thank you. Grateful. I'm grateful that I met you. Yes. They are grateful that I am their teacher. She is grateful that he is in her life. He is grateful, or he has been grateful ever since. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. They, she, he, I know how to be grateful. You have to be in touch with yourself and your feelings. It is quite important. So I, you, they, he, she, it. It is important to be grateful as it can affect how you think and feel. Think and feel. Yeah. How cool is that? So, they all feel very grateful. They all feel very grateful. How cool is that? Yeah. They will feel more grateful over time. Yeah. Being grateful is a very powerful feeling. How cool is that? Yeah. He was grateful to have it. How cool is that? Yeah, grateful to have it. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm grateful that I know what I do. To be able to focus on my business is amazing. I am very grateful to be able to do that. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She will be very grateful about this. So when I give her the gift, she will be very grateful and happy to have it. Yeah, grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. The children are always grateful. Grateful to get more presents and toys. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use grateful in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.